Hey hookers, Christy here from Inspired by a Smile. Um, I have a new addition to the ducks and I wanted to just show you real quick. It's the exact same tutorial, so the only thing you're going to actually change is the bill. He's really cute. Look at this cute fluffy fucker. So if you want to know how to make this guy, it's the same tutorial, but I'm going to show you how to make that bill. Look, it's nice and a bit bigger. I had to do that, so otherwise it just wasn't going to work. So if you want to know how to make that, and then you can do the main tutorial, I'll link it in the video. So just, well, let's get at it. Let's stop babbling. Okay, so again, guys, we're just gonna show you, I'm gonna show you how to do the bill for this one. The rest of the body, like I said, is the exact same as my main tutorial. The only other difference actually is the eyes. They are bigger. And of course, I did use my 4mm instead of 2mm, okay, for the whole thing. So just a quick little mod. So I just actually did it on my phone as well, so it's a little bit different. But so we're gonna chain 8. There we go. So chain 8 instead of 6 for the regular one, and grab the chain, do one more chain, and in the second from the hook you want to do a half double crochet. Come on, work with me here. Does not want to work with me here, guys. And in this second stitch you want to do a double crochet, and then in the next stitch you want to do a triple crochet. And in this stitch it's going to be an extended triple like I did for the tail actually on the duck. So 1, 2, 3, I keep going, 4 and 5, and then in the next stitch same thing. I know it's a bit weird, but one, 2, 3, 4, fuck off. Oh, 4 and 5, and then in the next one triple crochet, double, and then a half. Okay, so there we go. And then now, instead of being just finished, you want to actually go just in the bottom here. Don't even have to go through the whole stitch, just grab a part of the chain, even just do a slip stitch. There we go. I'm going to do a chain, turn, and now you want to do just in the top of the stitch here, do a single crochet edge around. So just like this. See, really nice and simple, and it makes it, I had to do this to make it a little bit bigger. It was not quite, still wasn't quite big enough, so my apologies for my cat. He's a bit cuckoo right now. Archer, hello. All right, so we're just in the corner here. Last single crochet. See, it makes it look that much better. A little bit more shape, especially once you sew it on. So don't forget, make 2 of these in total to sew onto the face. And I should have already mentioned this, but make sure your head is off. Don't be, unless you want to sew it on with your head attached already, but that part I should have mentioned already, my bad. Okay, but yes, anyways, the bill is done. Make sure you make 2 of them. And I guess if you did already sew the head on, it's okay, but I mean, you would have still had to put the eyes on. Then you're gonna sew it on. And that's one nice bill. Awesome, guys. Nice and fluffy too, with the nice faux yarn. So cute. Good job. Yay.